120.0 to 129.9. Lane 1, Tom Kazmarczyk. Lane 2, Ryan Blaser.
All right, no pressure, Ryan Blaser. Lane 1, Tommy K is a 2008 Bass Race World Finals champion. No pressure, bud. Well, Ryan built this box in the hotel room, so this should be a good run. Lane 1, Tommy K, thumbs up. Lane 2, Ryan, thumbs up.
Competitors stand by. Ready, set, go.
All right, good start, no red lights. Tommy's at 125, 126. Ryan's right there, 128, 129 already. Tommy's coming up into the low 128 to 129. Halfway through the run. Ryan's at a 129.6, Tommy's at a 129.6. No ties yet today. Let's see a tie.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Tommy breaks out, and Ryan is moving on to the final round.